welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today I want to show you how to make dorayaki. Dorayaki is one of the famous and traditional Japanese sweets. And dorayaki is a pancake with whipping paste inside. As I mentioned many times, the Japanese people love whipping paste. So we use whipping paste for many other sweets. And do you know Doraemon? So he's Doraemon. So he is a cat-shaped robot. He doesn't like mouse, since it is said the mouse ate his ears. So he used to have ears. Doraemon likes dorayaki. So I grew up with reading Doraemon comic books. So I like him. Oh, are you ready to cook? Okay, let's get started.
Here are the ingredients.
At first, we break 2 eggs. We add honey. And we mix all together with using Miso muddler. I like this tool. It's called Miso muddler, but today I use for baking. If you're interested in this muddler, please check my website. There's an online store page. And we beat in the egg until it becomes white. And it will take more time, so I use blender today. Now it becomes white. Now we add 1 teaspoon baking soda and add water and mix all together. Add the water with baking soda in an egg mixture. Then lightly mix. Can you see that? Then we add flour. And after adding flour, please gently mix, little by little. I need 3 hands. Looks so fluffy. Now we move the mixture in a fridge for 30 minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes passed. I think all of you know, but to make pancake, the first one is always disaster. So let's see how it goes today. So I usually use canola oil. Then kitchen paper. So I fold like this. Then quickly wipe. So thinly spread the canola oil. And I recommend to prepare wet towel. Then after heating the pan for about 3 minutes with medium heat, I move the pan on the towel, wet towel. Can you see? It says shh. It's so hot. And after you don't hear the shh sound, we move the pan and let's start making dorayaki. So I make 2 dorayaki at the same time. And the heat is medium-low heat. And we wait until the big bubbles come out. Now I can see the bubbles becoming bigger, so I will flip. Like that. Oh, nice golden color! And smells so good in this room, by the way. And after flipping, you can see the dorayaki is getting higher thanks to the baking soda. And after flipping, let's wait around 30 seconds. Please check the bottom side becomes brown color. Yeah. Can you see that? It's already brown color. So now it's time to take out. And I can't wait, so let's try tasting. It's so nice to eat fresh dorayaki. So it's a little bit hot now, but why not? So let's put whipping paste. You can control the amount of whipping paste. Then let's put the other dorayaki. Now dorayaki is done. So let's try tasting. So thanks to honey, the dorayaki pancake has moistureness. I think it usually in a shop you see the dorayaki closed like this. So good. If you want to do some creation, I recommend to put matcha powder on the dough, and it will be a green color dorayaki, matcha dorayaki. So I'll continue making dorayaki for my family. So I have to close today. So how was the recipe today? I hope you enjoyed. And I'm sure you can make this dorayaki at home immediately. If you don't have ribbon paste, you can put chocolate or custard cream or maybe Nutella. I sometimes introduce Nutella since I have one in my home. And I put this recipe on my recipe app. It's called Recipe by YUCa. So please download it. Okay, thank you for watching everyone. See you next time. Bye.